So you just got a German Shepherd. Congratulations. You've basically adopted a furry genius with military-level instincts, Olympic-level energy, and a PhD in mischief. But here's the deal. Without proper training, that genius can turn into chaos real fast. Today, we're diving into the best ways to train your German Shepherd, key principles that actually work, and a few life-saving tactics every owner should know. Let's turn your Shepherd into a legend, not a neighborhood menace. First things first, you can't train what you don't understand. German Shepherds were bred for intelligence, loyalty, and protection. They love having a job. That means they need purpose, or they'll invent their own, like guarding the toaster or herding your kids. Seriously, they'll herd anything that moves. So the golden rule is simple. Train their brain before you train their body. Mental stimulation is everything. Puzzle toys, scent games, obedience drills, even hiding treats around the house. A bored shepherd is a destructive shepherd. Keep their mind busy, and they'll reward you with focus and loyalty. Let's break down the 5 laws of training every German Shepherd respects. 1. Consistency. Don't say off one day and down the next. Use the same words, tone, and timing every single time. 2. Positive reinforcement. These dogs thrive on approval. Reward good behavior instantly with treats, toys, or praise. 3. Short, intense sessions. 10 minutes twice a day beats an hour of frustration. Keep it sharp and end on a win. 4. Socialization. Expose them early to new people, sounds, and environments. A confident shepherd is a calm shepherd. 5. Clear leadership. Be calm, be consistent, be confident. They respect leadership, not volume. All right, let's roll up our sleeves. Here's how to train your shepherd step by step. Step 1. Name recognition. Start simple. Say their name once. Reward them the moment they look at you. That's the foundation of every command, and that's how you lock in attention. Step 2. Use treats as guides. Reward when they sit. Then stretch it. Make them hold the position. Call them to you. Reward again. Repetition creates reliability. Step 3. Use a short leash. Walk slowly. Reward them for staying beside you, not ahead. This builds discipline and deepens trust. Step 4. Ignore the bad behavior. Don't yell. Don't push. Stand still, fold your arms, and turn away. The moment they stop, reward the calm. Step 5. Crate and boundary training. Give your shepherd a safe zone. Crate time isn't punishment, it's peacetime. It builds confidence and prevents separation anxiety. Now, let's talk life-saving training tactics. These commands could literally save your dog's life. Train a come now cue that overrides everything, even distractions. Use a unique word like here, and reward like crazy every single time they respond. This one command can save them from running into a busy street. Leave it, drop it. Shepherds love to mouth everything. Train leave it by holding a treat in your closed hand. When they stop pawing or sniffing, reward from your other hand. This prevents choking hazards, poisoning, and fights. Door and car boundaries. Train them to wait before exiting doors or cars. It's simple. Command, wait. Step out first, then release with, okay. That tiny pause could be the difference between safety and disaster. Bark control. Reward quiet moments, not barking fits. When they bark once, acknowledge it calmly. Thank you quiet. Reward silence. Never yell. They'll just think you're joining the bark party. Your German Shepherd isn't just a pet. They're a protector, a partner, and your best friend. Train with patience, structure, and love. And you'll unlock the brilliance this breed is famous for. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop your shepherd's name in the comments. I might feature your pup in the next video. And hey, if you want my free German Shepherd training cheat sheet, check the link in the description. Train smart, stay calm, and always give your dog a purpose.